Hello, my name is Buluwatife, and in this video I'll be showing you how to map your custom domain registered with Go54 to your website hosted on Zoho platform. Okay, before you decide to map your custom domain on Go54 to your website hosted on Zoho, there are two things required. So number one is to make sure that your custom domain has been registered and is active on your Go54 dashboard. So for the sake of this tutorial, let's see the domain I'll be using. Okay, so I'll be using go54demo.com.ng, and as you can see, the domain is active on my account, right? Then number two is to make sure that your website built with Zoho has been published and is accessible on the internet. So the website built with Zoho, which I'll be using for the sake of this tutorial, is go54.zohosites.com, and this is a preview of what the website looks like. All right. Okay, so once those two prerequisites has been met, you can then log into your Zoho dashboard. So I'll log into my Zoho dashboard. This is my Zoho dashboard here, and then you would navigate to configuration, then scroll down to domain and SSL. So once this page comes up, you can see my primary domain is go54.zohosites.com, and for me to map my custom domain to this Zoho website, I'll click on this add domain button, so I can add my custom domain here. So I'll type in go54 demo.com.ng, then click on continue. Okay, so once you click on continue, you can see domain added, and we are being provided with these steps. So number one is to log into your domain provider's admin console, and number two is to set domain forwarding from go54demo.com.ng to www.go54demo.com.ng. All right, so let's jump right into this and let's log into our go54 dashboard. Okay, so we are already logged in, right? And you navigate to your domain, right? Select my domains and navigate to your active domain which you want to map, and then you click on manage domain. Okay, so once you click on manage domain, you'll be provided with this interface. Then you select DNS management. Okay, so should in case you come up you see this error pop up, all you need to do is just click on your refresh button and try again. Then go back to DNS management. Okay, so you can see a zone has been created and some default DNS records has been added, and one of the records is a record and it's pointing to this IP, but we do not want this, so I would edit this IP address and then update the IP address to this naked IP so as to redirect requests from go54demo.com.ng to www.go54demo.com.ng. Then I'll click on update. Okay, DNS record edited successfully. The next step is to go back to your Zoho dashboard and then follow the second step, which is to set CNAME record for your domain. So you copy this CNAME record, then navigate back to your DNS management, close out this, and by default there is a CNAME record added. You can see www. We don't need this record, so we'll delete this. And then we add this new record, this new CNAME record. So you click on, to do this, you click on add records, then you click on the type of record you want to add, in this case CNAME. Then the name is what we copied from our Zoho dashboard, and then the CNAME value, we'll go back and copy this zhs.zohosites.com. You copy this, navigate back to your dashboard, and then update the value, and then click on confirm. Okay, DNS record added successfully. We also navigate back and then add the last CNAME record, which is www, and the record should point to this value, zhs.zohosites.com. Okay, so we click on add record. Then the type of record we want to add is CNAME, and then the name is www, and then the value is what we copied from our dashboard, zhs.zohosites.com. Then you click on confirm. DNS record added successfully. So we navigate back to our Zoho dashboard, and then once all of those records has been added, One thing I want you to note is DNS records or DNS changes to your domain takes sometimes 24 hours or less to propagate. So you might want to exercise patience if you've added the records and the domain is not coming up. But after you've added the records, you need to click on verify here. Okay, once you click on verify, this interface will pop up, and you can see we still have go54.zoosite.com as our primary domain, but we've added a new primary domain which is go54demo.com.ng, and which is the domain we want to make as our primary domain. So we click on this make primary for the domain that has the www. So you click on make primary, so we can make that domain our primary domain. Click on make primary, and you can see primary domain updated. Okay, so we've updated our primary domain from go54.zoosite.com to our custom domain go54demo.com.ng. Okay, so once all of this has been done, what you want to do is to visit this website to confirm that everything is done correctly. Okay, so now you can see my custom domain has been mapped to my Zoho website. You can see on the URL I have go54demo.com.ng, and the content on that domain is now what was on my Zoho site. And with this, we've been able to successfully map our custom domain with to our website based on Zoho. Should in case you experience any issues, you can always send a mail to support@go54.com. Thank you for your time.